Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix PS5 error code CE-107526-1. Method 1. Free up space on PS5 storage device. The PS5 console uses an SSD as its main internal storage device, and as savvies know that SSDs need between 15 to 20% of their storage capacity to be free in order to operate flawlessly at maximum performance. Therefore, if your PS5 internal storage is almost full or has less than 15% of free space, you should consider freeing it up for the new game you want to install and to avoid PS5 error code CE-107526-1 in the future. Method 2. Install the game on the PS5 internal hard drive. If you are using an external drive, please try unplug external drive then replug. And try out the available USB ports on your PS5 one by one. If the issue persists, please try installing the game on the PS5 internal hard drive. Then everything should work fine. Method 3. Use manual DNS and MTU. To do that, just go to Settings. Select Network. Select Settings. Select Set up Internet Connection. Over here, go to your Connected option depending on how you connect, it can be the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Next, press Option button on the controller. Select Advanced Settings. Go to DNS Settings then press X button on the controller to select it. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. So, I will select Primary DNS then type 1.1.1.1. Next, I will select Secondary DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, select OK, then check if the error code CE-107526-1 is gone. If not working, one more time, come back here. After that, select MTU settings. Select Manual. Select MTU then change the value to 1473. Select Done. Select OK. One more time, check if the error code CE-107526-1 is gone. Method 4. Power cycle the router and the PS5. Unplug the modem and router from the power outlet. Wait at least 15 seconds. Plug the modem back into the power outlet first, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on your modem to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PS5 and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 5. Rebuild database. To do this, we need visit safe mode by turn off the PS5 console, just pressing and holding the power button until you hear a second beep. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Right now, connect your controller to the console with a USB cable. Right now press the PS button on the controller. Going to clear cache and rebuild database. Select Rebuild Database. Wait for the process to complete and restart your PS5 console. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix error code CE-107526-1. Method 6. Delete the game data and reinstall the game. You can delete game updates by press the PS button on the controller. After that, go to Downloads or Copies. Go to the game that is problem then press Option button on the controller, then select Cancel and Delete. Restart your PS5. After that go to Game Library. Go to the game you just deleted. Now, press Option button on the controller then select Check for Update. The PS5 will now check, download and install updates for the game and of course the problem will be fixed. In case the problem still occurs, please completely delete the game and reinstall it. Method 7. Factory reset PS5. This is the last resort when PS5 error code CE-107526-1 couldn't be fixed with any of the above methods. You will need then to factory reset the PS5. You'll lose all of your game data, save data, and personal account data that are stored on the machine. Basically anything on the system's hard drive will be erased. Because of this, it's recommended you first back up any files you don't want to lose for good. You can do this by transferring your files to an external hard drive or using the PS Plus cloud service. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.